puyat.
Yes!
Napilitang gumising.
Where are we going, Nak? So, ayan. Papunta kami ngayon na Camarines Norte. Ayan, mabiyahe kami. Waiting na lang kami sa dami namin dala. Hi, hi. Hi.
Pogi. Nalalakista.
First trip ng Teo. Hindi aircon. Oo. Sa dulo na lang si Tito para mabilis siya makagalaw. Sa gitna kayo magtatay. Hindi na bababa.
May resibo siya sa kaingay.
Nag-uuyot na. Nag-uuyot na. Giligalig na. Masikip
Gusto maglakad.
na.
Gusto niyan
Gusto maglakad sa gitna.
Nasisikipan.
Eh lalo pa kung nandyan ang lolo. Lawas. Labas. Labas na.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.
Okay. Okay mga loves, ayan. Lunch time na. At dito yung lunch. Ayan.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Ano yan? Sugar on my tongue.
Like sugar on my tongue.
First nirang
Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Stop over at Santa Elena. Ay, malikot to. Ay, naipon na. Upan na naman ang bebe. Ayan. Tingnan mo pa mga ay Kapalongga. Doon tayo, tatawid tayo doon. Tatawid tayo doon kasi doon dadaan ang bus. Doon tayo. Kasakay na. Kasakay na pa Kapalongga. Asin yung pink? Ayo. Si Lolo, ayan si Lolo. Say hi. Hi. Excited ka na? sing. See you later. Whoa, wow, whoa. Parang roller coaster. Ayan. Pilaan.
I never thought I'd fly over my own state.
Mga loves.
Something
So, kunti na lang.
calling out my name.
Bayan.
Mama, don't you cry. You know there'll come a day where I come visit you at home. And if I never stay, the same old worn out welcome sign with population getting by. Crossing that county line brings back the good old days. With the same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise. Watching that midnight sky you don't see in LA. This big
Mga loves, malapit na tayo. Kepot na lang. Ayan.
stay the same. This concrete tree line's got my head up in the clouds.
Terminal na kami. Okay. Bagsak na. Ay, meron pa doon? Yung tubig! Yung nandun daw. Ayun, yung tinapay pala. Yung sasakay dito.
Parang tumabing ito kanina.
O, diba? So, saan na tayo? Sasakay. Ano yan?
Yan mo si Tito mo ng ano dyan.
Sarap naman yan. Handa yan ni Baby. Wow! Asa si Papa?
Nasa Sibol.
Say hi to kuya, oh.
Mag-slippers ka.
Slippers
Kasi
ikaw,
si ano,
dali.
naka-slippers ikaw hindi. Para pa siyang lasing
Ang puti eh. Ang puti ni Sep.
Give this to them.
O dali, give mo.
Ah, dali, dali. Ah. Bigyan mo na yung gift mo, dali.
Give this to Kuya Sep.
Kay Sep.
Kuya Sep. Yun.
Kuya Sep.
Kuya Sep. Ito. Kuya Sep.
Wow, si Kuya Sep.
Wow.
O dali, kay Kuya
Ano yung gift? Dali.
Kay Kuya Sep, dali. Sabi niyo pa.
Hug, hug, hug. Hug. Hug na, dali.
Yakap kay Sep.
Love mo si Kuya Sep, dali.
Kuya Sep.
O, hug.
Hug.
Ito kay Erman.
Okay, Ate Talia naman.
Pa kay Kuya Sep.
Ah, meron pa.
O, bigay pa kay Kuya Sep. Dali. Ay, ano.
Wow.
Dali, you give them. Thank Kuya Sep, dali.
Ah, what will you say, Kuya Sep?
What will you say, Kuya Sep? Thank you. You say thank you, Kuya Sep. Thank you. Thank you. Sabi mo, thank you.
Salamat.
Naman, kay ate. Come here. Come
Dali.
here. Come here. Oh, you say to ate, close your eyes, ate. Ay, yun ang close your eyes. Give to ate. Give to ate.
Wow. Ayo hug ate.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Kiss mo si ate. Kiss.
Dali, ito pa. Bigay mo pa kay ate.
Wow.
Tain mo! Wow! Wow daw! Teo, that's not yours. Hindi ka pwede ng lollipop.
Bawal bibig sa yung lollipop.
Dali, bigay mo kay ate. You give to ate and kuya. O, tawagin mo si ate tsaka si kuya. Dali. Dali, you call them. Baliktad! Ayun, nabigay mo kay ate.
Hindi nabasag.
Thank you.
Ano sasabihin? Ano sasabihin?
Uy, pinagbigay niyo na nga si Teo, tapos pinagtatapon niyo pa ng basura.
Ay, you kiss. You kiss Teo, dali. You kiss Teo. Wow, you kiss.
Kiss!
Wow. Napakasungit si Seth. Hindi na pala ako maalam. Ay! Bakit ganyan? Doble baba mo. Uy, pero buyag-buyag naman.
Nilawayan mo na ba yun, Han?
Oo naman kanila. May baby na ako, bago. Diba? Ay, tuwa ko. Dali.
Gusto niya lang kalaro eh.
Dali.
You want siblings?
Ha? You want baby?
Oh, di mo, hinahawakan niya, oh. Wow, marunong humawak, oh.
Dali, come here.
Dali.
Come here to mama.
I-touch.
You touch, dali, oh.
I-touch, baby, dali.
You gano, dali.
Clean ba hands mo? Ay. Baby! Tuwa si Teo.
Wow.
What's that?
Wow!
Ano yan?
Tabag.
Mamaya, dali,
Mamaya ha,
mamaya, later.
Kanta mo na, kanta.
1, 2, 3, go!
Birthday.
Happy
Day to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
blow na, blow.
Bro!
Isa pa.
Sige, yung dalawa.
Nakanta mo na daw na.
Nagkanta mo na. Kaya mo tanya. Oh.
Picture
Sip.
sila to.
Here. Blue.
Blow the candle.
Blue.
Diyan mag-blow at may silbi.
Ayaw ni.
Blue.
Blow na.
Blow na, blow.
Oh, Ay, layo.
Oh, oh, si Teo, sa'yo din.
Saya ni
Dali. Happy birthday to you!
Ay, doon lang siya sa dali. Dali. Happy birthday to you.
Pala. Yung ayaw niya na may apo.
Tears of joy.
May galing siya.
Well, if you need a hand,
Yan, icing ang gusto niya.
Old hurricane is starting to blow. Always got a home where you can come be. Oh, because I ain't afraid of a little weather. We can make it together. When I tell you that I got you, and I'm here. Rain, sleet, snow, whatever. You know who got you? Oh, your man got you. You know who got you? Oh, your man got you.
Yan siya.
When you're gone, feels like it's never gonna come. When that gray sky's full of rain now, knowing it seems like you never see the sun. Got a little extra shine for you, and tell you when there's nothing else to do. Hard times are never going through. You know who got you. Ooh, your man got you. You know your man got you. Ooh, your man got you. You know your man got you. Oh, your man got you. Your man got you.
Pag kayo, magkaibigan paglaki. Oo, yung pa. Bukas yan.
Lalang kayo niyan sa
Pag may suhol, may suhol. Oo.
First na, sumunod ka. Dali.
Bakit? Saan ka pupunta? Ang bilis na takbo. Ang bilis, wala kang pabango. May pabango ko orange doon
Kaya na nga doon si Pabalo,
Kikis ha?
Yes.
Yeah!